I'm Joost and I'm here with the BCBIG Dumbbell Set. And you get 4 4.4 pound and 4 3.3 pound weights, and these easy bars that you can put them on. You can easily put 1 or 2 on here, or even a couple more. Then screw on the safety right here, which is pretty sturdy, and do the same on this side. And then the same for the other one. And now you have some pretty heavy weights here. You can also easily connect these with the connector. Just take these off. So you can really easily change these up. And then screw this connector in. Make it a little heavier. You can fit all of these on here. This side as well. Perhaps just add one more. This side as well. And this is made from really soft material here, so that's a nice grip. So now I have a heavy barbell with a really soft grip. So as you saw, you can easily change this up, make it into 2 separate dumbbells or 1 barbell. And I really recommend this one for anyone looking for a versatile set. Now you have these sets with more or fewer of these weights, so you can pick the one that suits you best.